In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to boost Pinduoduo app operational and clear cache on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to boost Pinduoduo app operational speed and clear cache on your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your Pinduoduo shopping app. So from this point here, next thing you need to do is to click on here to visit your profile. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then you have to scroll down and navigate clear cache. So click on that. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to confirm. Boom, it's as simple as that. So we are able to clear off 350 something megabytes, and the operational is going to be efficiency in shopping and ship from China with our Pinduoduo Chinese shopping. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember click on that subscribe for more tutorial about China importation tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.